Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an e-commerce website using the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. This is a complete package to create a fully functional e-commerce website. Elementor e-commerce hosting plan will give you a complete package to create e-commerce website. You will get Elementor plugin. You will also get Elementor Pro plugin, a WooCommerce plugin. You will also get WooCommerce add-on plugin, and you will also get a premium theme which you can use to create the fully functional e-commerce website. So I'm going to show you what are the features included in the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan, how you can install the theme, and how you can import the demo content to create the fully functional e-commerce website. So I'm going to show you what are the plugins and features that you will get in the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. Let me show you the plan here. This is the website. If you want to go to this website, I'll give you the link in the description box. This is the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan, which will start from $4.99 per month, which is approximately $60 per year, in which you will get Elementor, Elementor Pro plugin, then WooCommerce. They have different plans. The basic plan is Sell Core, then Sell Pro and Sell Pro Plus. I do have the Sell Pro plan, and I'm going to show you how you can use this plan. In the Sell Pro plan, you can create one website. You will get 75,000 monthly visits, 25 GB storage, 100 GB per month bandwidth, 14 days backup, design, WooCommerce-Ready pages, pre-installed WordPress and WooCommerce, and this is where it comes a premium theme. You will get premium WooCommerce theme, and the price of this theme is $99 per year. So you are going to get this theme inside this package. You will also get Elementor Pro plugin, which is $59 per year, and these are the other features: build your store, unlimited products, unlimited landing pages, bulk editing, product badges, mega menu, conversation simplified, coupon system, shipping calculation, wish list, then mini cart, order bump. All these features will be included in the package. Manage your store, inventory management, multiple shipping methods, order system management, security and performance, auto scaling infrastructure. You will also get premium SSL, which is going to cost $48 per year, but you will get it for free inside the package. This is not a free SSL. This is a premium SSL certificate, which you will get inside the package. Enterprise Cloudflare CDN is also there. So you will get access to CDN also. Unlimited PHP workers, web application firewall is there, page caching is there. I'm already using the Elementor basic WordPress plan, and I have one website running on the Elementor hosting, and I can see that the speed of that website is definitely way better than any other website that I have on other hosting plans. The main advantage of using Elementor hosting is the speed of your website. You will definitely get better speed if you have website on Elementor hosting plan. So if you are running e-commerce website, then definitely you will need to consider the speed of your website, and you will get better speed on Elementor hosting plan. You will get hosting control panel, team collaboration support, Google Analytics integration is there, and the support is also available. This plan will cost you $15 per month, which is approximately $180 per year, and you will get WooCommerce premium theme and Pro Builder. So if you want to buy this plan, I'll give you the link in the description box, and if there is any discount coupon code, I'll mention that in the description. So let's see what are the features, plugins and theme are available in the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan, and how you can create a fully functional e-commerce website using this plan.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of my Elementor account, and you can see that I have different hosting plans in this account. The first one is the Elementor hosting WooCommerce Sell Pro, which is nothing but the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan, which is nothing but the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. The second one is Elementor Image Optimizer. With the free trial, I can optimize up to 250 images. I have published a separate video on how to use the Elementor Image Optimizer. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. Then I have Elementor Hosting Basic Plan, in which I can create one website using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. I have also published a detailed video on how to use the Elementor Hosting Basic Plan with Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. Now we are going to work on Elementor hosting plan for e-commerce website. in which basically you are going to get Elementor, Elementor Pro plugin, a WooCommerce, and the other essential plugins for the e-commerce website. You will also get a premium theme. I'll show you how to get the premium theme and how you can install the premium theme. So here I can create one website. I have 100 GB bandwidth and 25 GB storage and 75k monthly visitors, which is nothing but approximately 2,500 visitors per day. So this is the plan. I'm going to click on it and let's see how we can create a website. I have already created a demo website here. You will see it here. This is a temporary website. Once the website is ready, I can connect the domain with the website. All right, so this is how the website looks. I do not have anything on this website. So we are going to install the theme and we will go through all the features that are offered in this Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. All right, so let's go to websites. I have this website here. This is the website. And if you want to go to the website, you can simply click on Open WP Dashboard. So it is going to open the dashboard of the WordPress website. This one is the basic Elementor website, not the Elementor e-commerce website. This is the new website that I have installed in the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. Now we are going to open the dashboard of the WordPress. So you will see an option here, Open WP Dashboard. All right, so we are logged into the dashboard of the website. Let's go to the plugins and let's see which plugins are already installed. If I go to plugins here, you will see all the plugins which are by default installed. Activity Log, Commerce Guru's Commerce Kit. This plugin will help you customize your e-commerce website. Let's visit this plugin site and let's see what are the features of this website. Let's close this one. Commerce Gurus, we craft e-commerce products to help you easily sell online. You will see some products here. They have WooCommerce themes. If I click on it, you will see this is the theme. I guess this is the theme that you will be getting, Shoptimizer for WooCommerce, and this theme has many different features. So let's go back. Here we have Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. Then we have 𝗟𝗞𝗞𝗘 Customizer Framework, SiteKit by Google, so you can connect your Google Analytics and Google Search Console with the website. I have already published a detailed video on how to use the SiteKit by Google plugin. And then we have WooCommerce, which is nothing but the plugin to create e-commerce website in WordPress. All right, I have published many videos on WooCommerce, how to create products, how to create variable products, and how to customize the WooCommerce and what are the settings of WooCommerce plugin. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. You will find detailed videos about WooCommerce and other WooCommerce plugins. All right, in the left hand panel we have settings, tools, users, Elementor, templates. Here you will see Elementor theme builder. Using theme builder, you can customize header, footer, single post, single page, archive, search items, search results, loop item, and error 404 pages. I have separate videos on all these templates. So let's close this one. And here you will see Google SiteKit is there. At the top you have hosting. If I click on hosting, it will give you all the details of your hosting plan, website overview, backups, domains, staging. If you can also create staging websites. Then we have hosting settings. Let's click on it and it will go back to your Elementor hosting plan. It will go to your Elementor account. All right, so this is basically your Elementor account again. This is the website that we have created. You can give your site a name, edit homepage, connect a custom domain. When the website is ready, you can connect your domain with the website, create a staging environment, migrate your site, open database. So these are the basic features of the Elementor. Here you will see all pages, all posts, media library, manage plugins. If you want to edit website, you can edit directly from here. You can add a page, you can add a blog post, header and footer. Right, let's close this and let's close this. This is the home page, so leave it as it is. And let's go to the appearance and let's see which theme we have here. All right, so you will see Shoptimizer theme is already installed and you also have Hello Elementor theme. At the top you will see the message here. This theme recommends following plugins. One-click demo import. So if you want to import the demo content, you can install this plugin and get the demo content imported and create your website from there. All right, we will go through that also. Now let's go to the pages. All right, so these are the basic WooCommerce pages which are already created. We have one sample home page is already there, which is currently marked as front page. So this is your front page of the website. All right, if I go to post, I guess there won't be any. All right, so there are no posts. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's click on this option, begin installing plugin, install it. Click on return to required plugins install. Then click on activate. So we have activated the plugin which will help you to import the demo content. Let's refresh it. All right, let's see how we can import the demo. All right. So if I go to appearance, you will see the option here, import demo data. Click on it, and here you will see the option import demo data. So it is going to import the demo content for you. If you want to install WP Forms, you can simply check this option, all-in-one SEO plugin. If you want to install it, you can check this option, Monster Insight. If you want to install it, check this option. Otherwise, you can keep them as it is. No need to install these plugins. So I'm going to use this plugin, WP Forms. I have published a video on how to use it. If you want to use another contact form plugin, you can use that also. Right, let's click on continue and import. It's going to take some time to import the demo content. All right, so it says, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. All right, so let's click on visit site and let's see how does this look. Let's refresh it. All right, so you will see the entire website is ready for you. Now you can customize this website. You can add your own logo. You can add your own products. You can delete the default products and you can add your own products there. So this is the home page that we have here. If you go to this website here, Shoptimizer website, you will see this theme is there that we have installed, and this is the demo that we have imported. All right, let's scroll down, and this is the home page. Currently we do not have pages for the products, but you can add your own products there. Now it is easy to customize the home page. You can edit some sections if you want. If you do not want some sections, you can delete those sections and add your own sections there. I have a separate 8-hour long video in which I have explained step by step how you can create an e-commerce website using Elementor, Elementor Pro plugin and the WooCommerce plugin. If you want to learn the basics of e-commerce website design using Elementor and WooCommerce, you can definitely watch this video. I have explained it very well in this video, and you can see that this video is more than 8 hours long video. So if you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. This is a complete course from beginner to advanced level. All right, let's go back. Now, if you want to customize the home page, you can simply go to edit with Elementor, and from here you can customize the home page. Let me close all the other tabs here. You can see that this hosting is super fast. I have already used the Elementor basic hosting plan, and I can see that my website is running really very fast on the Elementor hosting plan. So if you want to create the e-commerce website with the fast speed and all the features, you should definitely try using this Elementor e-commerce hosting plan. If you want to buy the plan, I'll give you the link in the description box. All right, so here we are on the edit with Elementor for the home page. From here you can customize it. You can delete or edit any sections of this website. It is very easy. You can simply select that section, and in the left hand panel you will see the settings for that particular section. For example, if I click on this title, you will see the settings of this title in the left hand panel, and you can also see the responsive mode, how it will look on the tablet or how it will look on the mobile devices. Let's go back and let's go to pages and let's see which pages are created. You will see 13 pages are there. You will see about, blog, then home page is added. The sample home page is not the front page now. We have another home page there, and some categories are also added here. All right, let's go to products here under WooCommerce, and you will see some dummy products are also created and some categories are also created. Now you can customize these categories. You can add your own categories. You can delete these products and you can add your own products. Let's go to categories, and you will see the categories which are created. We have main category, then we have women category, and under women category we have some subcategories also. So this is basically the demo of the shop, the online accessories and clothes shop, but you can change this website with any other category of online shop you want to create. Let's go back to all products. Let's see, if you want to customize it, you can simply go to edit section, or if you want to create a new product, you can simply click on add new product, and from here you can add a new product. And simple product, group product, variable product. You can customize, you can add inventory, advanced options are there, product description, then add image. Everything is explained in my video. You can watch that video. If you want to edit any existing product, you can simply go to edit product, and from here you can edit that product. This is a simple product, $44.99. Sale price is there. Let's close this one. Let's go to WooCommerce and go to WooCommerce settings. Go to payment gateways. In order to accept online payments, you need to enable these payment gateways. Currently we have direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery. You can install other plugins, for example PayPal, PayPal or WooCommerce payment or Stripe and start accepting payments on your WooCommerce website. I have separate videos on that also, right? You will definitely need to customize the shipping settings also. Then you will need to customize the email settings. Let's go to extensions here. You will see some extensions are also available. However, these are some paid extensions. Now, if I scroll down, you will see WP Forms is there, which is the plugin that we installed. And at the bottom, you will see Commerce Kit. Click on it. This is an additional plugin which you will get for free. Now, if you go to this plugin, this is the dashboard. You will see order bump statistics, Ajax search, then free shipping notification, order bumps. So you will see all these features are already included in your WooCommerce website. So you don't need to buy separate plugins. It is all there inside the package. Ajax search is there, attribute gallery, attribute swatches. You will get swatches also. You can enable the swatches and create the swatches. Countdowns, you will get countdowns also. You need to enable it and then you need to customize it. I'll create a separate video on how to use the Commerce Kit. Free shipping notification, order bumps. You can create order bumps from here. Mini cart, checkout, size guides. If you want to add a size guide, you can add that also. Sticky add to cart button. You can add a sticky add to cart. Let's enable it on desktop and save the changes. Let's go to the website, refresh it. Now, if I scroll down, let's go to one of the products here. And if I scroll down, you will see sticky add to cart button at the top. So this is the sticky add to cart button. Let's go back. Then we have stock meter. Wishlist option is also there. If I go to settings, you will see the settings of this particular plugin. So you can see that some required features are already included in the package, and you also get this premium theme which you can customize and create your own e-commerce website layout. Here under appearance, you will see Shoptimizer help. If you need any help with this theme, you can go to support and get the help from there. If you want to customize it, go to customize option under appearance and you will see all the customization options on this website. Here you can go to general, then go to site logo. From here you can customize the site logo. You will see sticky logo. You can select the image and get the site logo. And if you want to customize this logo, you can simply click on it and from here you can change the logo. This is the text at the top. If you want to customize it, you can simply click on it and from here you can change it. You can add your own phone number there. This is a message at the top. You can simply customize it from here. So you just need to click on it and you will see the option to customize these elements under customizer. So this is a primary menu. Then we have theme documents. So you will see theme documents, which is here at the top. This is the one. Now I do not want that option on my website. So I'm going to delete that option. You can delete it, remove. All right, so that will be removed. Then we have my account, customer help, checkout. Then we have, this is the logo. All right, so from here you can customize the header section. Under general, we have colors. You can change the color settings, header, top bar. If you want to change the color of the header, you can change it from here. If I go to mobile view, this is how the mobile view is. If I click on it, you will see the menu bar there. These are the WooCommerce settings. You can change the color settings for the WooCommerce. Then we have header and navigation. Let me make a desktop view. So at the top, we have the top bar. If you do not want this top bar, you can simply disable it from here. Then header, mobile header, navigation. So all these settings you can customize. So you can go through all these settings. These are pretty basic settings. However, if you want, I'll create a separate video on how to customize the Shoptimizer theme and how you can create. All right, so this one looks good. I can simply close this one. I'm not going to make any changes for now. I'll create a separate video on that one. So I think it is very easy to create an e-commerce website using the Elementor e-commerce hosting plan, in which you will get Elementor, Elementor Pro plugin, WooCommerce plugin, and you will get a premium theme pre-installed. And the pricing is also very good. You can go for the Pro plan, which will cost you $15 per month, which is approximately $180 per year. And you will get all these features. And the best thing is that the speed of your website will be super fast as compared to other hosting services. If you want to buy any of these plans, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. If there is any discount coupon code, I'll mention that in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.